Hello, good morning, y'all. This is Victoria again. Today is Saturday morning. I'm gonna make some kale omelet breakfast for JD. Hello, good morning. This is Victoria again. Today is Saturday morning. I'm gonna make some kale omelet for breakfast for JD. So I'm gonna use these cherry tomatoes, red onion, scallion, and 4 eggs and kale. Sprinkle a little bit black pepper, a little bit sea salt, sprinkle a little bit onion, garlic powder, Maggi seasoning, and of course sprinkle a little bit magic sarap, the Filipino seasoning. Let's get started. So I put butter, half a teaspoon butter, this butter. And then I put the red onion, now the cherry tomatoes. Now I'm gonna put the kale. I already add the kale and I put seasoning already. So I already put the kale and then I put cheese, triple cheese, cheddar. Looks delicious. I have 2 more to go. 2 more batch. My egg omelet. This is the second batch. So this the second batch is done. This is the last batch. This is the last one. I'm gonna put triple cheddar. Triple cheddar. That's it. That's it. Thank you so much for watching my video. I hope you like it, and thank you for continuing supporting my a little YouTube channel, small YouTube channel. Thank you. Have a good day. God bless. Bye bye.